now one more throw. Get ready to catch. Catch! Thanks for paying attention. And go ahead, throw. And catch. Wait. Hold on. And throw. And catch. Try to keep it away from my head, alright? Throw and catch. Great. Hold on. And throw and catch. Wait. Hold on. And throw and catch. Oh, nice. Double flips, triple flips. And throw and catch. Now can you throw me one under your leg? Ready? Throw. Catch. Excellent. How about behind the back? Throw. Oh! That tree saved you guys. Trees are good. Alright, good tree. Alright, now the big finish. I juggle 4 and you catch them all. Are you ready? Here we go. We're going to do double flips on each side. I'm going to switch to triple flips on one side, single flips on the other. Back to doubles on each side, pocket triples on each side. Big finish, catch them all. And you got it. You got it. Very nice. Okay. All right, I need everybody's help to count up to 3 and yell juggle. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Pretty good, eh? Okay, Charlie, off in the air. Here goes. That's a wielder in that one. Oh no! Can you put this down slowly? Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you very much.
Well, clowns of US, Canada, South Africa and Malaysia has joined in the mission to make Indian audience happy by organizing the International Clown Festival in India. It's a 10-day festival that is organized for the first time in India so as to make clowning a serious business and give clowning recognition. Here's more.
In the faces, featuring 12 clowns, most of whom came from USA and Canada. One of the major events of the festival was the theatre show. But there's one thing you couldn't have missed in the theatre show. That was
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
juggling, magic, acrobat, unicycle and physical comedy. During the 10-day festival, they will showcase to the Indian audience global style of clowning. The Maiden Clown Festival has been organized by Martin D'Souza, a professional clown from India. This festival is expected to soon develop as an annual event.
There's been nothing like this in our country. This is the first time we're doing something like this, and we've been waiting to have clown training and clown education and clown shows in India for a very, very long time. This is a great initiative to make people aware that clowning is serious business, and there are many more like us all over the world. There's so much of opportunity for India to get into something like this.
There's one event that will surely be an experience for the clown lovers and clowns themselves who want to learn more on clowning, as a free workshop was held on November 9th and will be held on 10th at St. Andrews and St. Xavier's College. The clown will also perform at schools and hospitals as a part of an outrageous program and will hold a walkathon and street show for over 800 street children at Shivaji Park on Children's Day in partnership with NGO Childline. Jessica Karyam Barmbal, DD News, Mumbai.